in today's world, even though we have advanced so much, still in a lot of places women are not treated equally. So it is a representation of the United Nations equality role, which is number 5, and which calls for equality for rights for women and men.
Alia, being a woman, do you think it's an easy job to run 10 kilometers? So I want to know ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੂਮਨ ਇੰਪਾਵਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਖੀਜ਼ਮ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤੇ ਵੂਮਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਅਗਰ ਜਸਪੀਤ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਸਪੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ, ਬਰਾਬਰ ਇਕੁਐਲਿਟੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਨੋ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧਰਮ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੁੜੀ ਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਨੇ, ਉਹੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੂਮਨ ਇੰਪਾਵਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ, ਤੇ ਇਹੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਤੇ ਕੀ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਫੈਲਾਓਗੇ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਚੈਨਲ?
I don't think that probably religion should or country should divide us. And what good a cause when we have a sports platform to bring everybody together. So I think not me, but everybody wants that. And that's the need of the hour. So
Good morning, all of Dubai. I'm at Dubai Women Run 2018, the great event for the women empowerment. It's a great honor for us. I'm with Sana Sajan, the brand ambassador of Dubai Women Run. He has a big background and big portfolio. So first of all, I'm really thankful and welcome in World Point TV. Sana, we want to know, being a woman, being a mother, and how you think about that. Women need to take initiative and be a part of Dubai Women Run.
So thank you so much for having us over here, and first of all I want to congratulate Dubai Women's Run and Plan B for having such a successful event. And why is it important to have an event like this? We should have in fact more initiatives like this. Dubai Women's Run is not just a run. It is a full phenomena. It is a full circle where we actually talk about empowering women. It is important for young as well as older women, because when you see something like this happening, it shows that we are strong. It is a representation of strength. As a mother, it is important. As a sister, it is important. As a daughter, it is important. Because, in today's world, even though we have advanced so much, still in a lot of places, women are not treated equally. So it is a representation of the United Nations equality role, which is number 5. And which calls for equality for rights for women and men. Other than that, it is also, when you see around, you see that how much strength women, they carry with themselves. We do so much and we do not show it. So it is about time that we come up and sound it. So it's something as a phenomena that we are coming as Dubai Women's Run. There will be so much more happening around the year with this. We really look forward to that.
Sana, you are a background from the Danube and Sajan family. Danube, and then after Dubai Women Run and lot of the welfare projects. We want to know that your Danube family has any plan to launch a welfare program related to women empowerment?
We have been already talking about women empowerment for a very long time now. In line with the vision of the rulers of Dubai and the Ministry of UAE as well. We have been talking about women empowerment and we have implemented it as well. So a very huge part of our employees themselves, they have been employed as women. We do not discriminate among people if it is a woman. In fact, we encourage them to join us. Half of our force is already women, even in sales. So, even outdoors, we encourage them and they are doing very well. So there is no looking back when we take them on board. Apart from that, we have been doing programs as well for women empowerment. You will be seeing more coming up.
And first of all, and congratulations for 25 years, then your family is completed. And yesterday you opened the mega store in the region. And we want to know, आपका आने में, आप future में है plan कि you'll be a part of the new management?
So I am already a part of the management. Yeah. So Rizwan Sajan, he is our chairman, my daddy, and Adil, my husband, he is the director for the group. They are always very encouraging, not only to me, to our, their cousins and the women in the family anyway. So they keep asking us what is it that we like to do. So we are coming up with some plans. As me being a doctor, we are coming up with the medicine line soon. So we're coming up with clinics for men's health. And yesterday when we inaugurated the Danube Home largest mega store, which is 100,000 square feet in Al Barsha, which is just next to Mall of the Emirates, I think that was one big landmark for us, so we are really excited about that. And to tell you honestly, everywhere we play a part. You know, as women, we have so many roles. Currently, I'm already playing a part as the director of Danube Welfare Center. Besides, the other medicine lines will also be coming. So yes, you will see a lot more coming with Danube.
Best of luck for Danube and best of luck Sergeant family, and keep it up. Thank you so much. It's a great honor for us. I am with Alia Said Ahmed. She's a winner of 10K. Alia, how's the feelings now after the winning the title?
Feeling is really very well. Too happy to win it 2 times, so I'm so happy.
Second time again you changed. What do you think about that? Last year you winner 10K. Now again you are the winner. What about the 2019?
Excited to win.
So I hope you make a hat trick on 2019. Continuously 3 times winner of the 10K this Dubai Women Run.
Yeah, sure. I will do it.
Alia, being a woman, do you think it's an easy job to run 10 kilometers?
Yeah, sure.
All of the women who follow you, a lot of women inspire from you and they start run. So what is your message for all of these women?
Oh, so this is woman run is so amazing. So for me it's like second time to win. So inshallah I will win to 2019 to get more than this, 2 women to watch us like this. So it's good to get to be here.
Thank you so much, Saida. Best of luck for 2019. It's a great honor for us. I'm right now with Mr. ھرمیک. He's the chairman of the Plan B group, and he's the person behind of the successful event of Dubai Women Run. Sir, how's the feeling now after achieve the goal?
I think it's as good as delivering a baby. It is something that we all work together, and it is not my baby, it's everybody's baby. I think you were a part of this as well. So it went very well. I think we got a very good warm response. So we got 75 nationalities that came together this time, which was 10 more than last year. We had people come from Birmingham, from St. Petersburg to participate in this. So I believe the success is that people came together. And that's the whole objective of Dubai Women's Run.
So now you say the peoples came together. I think you believe on peoples came together. You work for peace, you work for humanity, you work for without the borders, without the boundaries, like he's a Muslim, he's a Sikh, he's a Pakistani, he's an Indian. So like how you take the initiative, become a part of the UAE Athletic Federation, and now you are the second time with the Dubai Women Run, because this women run is going for the last 8 years. Now we see the last year and this year's numbers increasing. So how you take this challenge?
I think there's no challenge. I'm honest towards my work. I believe in certain ideologies, and one of the ideology is that I think my generation, that is your generation, we have got a very big responsibility to make sure that we are having peace for the next generation. So what I believe for my children, what I believe for the social and the society to come together is an honest approach. I don't think that probably religion should or countries should divide us, and what good a cause when we have a sports platform to bring everybody together. So I think not me, but everybody wants that, and that's the need of the hour. So let's be honest, all of us.
Dubai Women Run last year, Sonu Sood is the brand ambassador. This year, brand ambassador Sonu Sood. So like you are very kind with everyone. Sonu is very kind with everyone. We see today the event, he take a selfies with the fans. He not like irritated. Like, I'm tired. I want to go. So you have a plan to next year, 2019, increase the number of the brand ambassadors.
I think brand ambassadors is a commercial terminology. It's about partners. So Sonu came on board as a partner. Sonu believes in it. Sonu has got a heart, and people with the heart will join. So everybody and anybody who's got a heart, they are a brand ambassador. They are our partner, and anybody, more the merrier, I guess. It's not about any egos over here. So if there's anybody who wants to join, they're more than welcome.
Congratulations again for Plan B, whole family of the Plan B. You do a great job for Dubai Women Run. 2019, You start from today for Dubai Women Run 2019 because it's not a small, it's a big event coming on 2000. So what is your plans for 2019 and all of the women who want, they're not participating this year, what is your message for that women who want to participate in 2019?
I think 2019 has already started for us. We already initiated a lot of things which is already planned for beginning to 2019. The plan for 2019 is to expand not only from a run perspective but a society perspective as well. We want to actually just probably have the society that gets together, that builds together, that has got all the elements of bringing love, peace and everything that probably has been required by everybody. So I think women who have not joined, women who have not been a part of this, trust me, it's not about running, it's not about fitness, it's about showing up. So when you show up, you will feel the buzz. Right now, I think it's over 1 hour, 1.5 hours when the run finished. I still see energy outside. I still see people joining hands and coming together as a family. So it's not a run. Please join the family next year.
Thank you for 2000. It's a great honor for us. I have a group members. They are from Birmingham, from Sikh channel. First of all, welcome in Dubai. How was the experience? You are the first time in Dubai Women Run.
Absolutely fantastic. बहुत ही बढ़िया experience सीगा. You know, just seeing so many inspirational women come together. 4,000, I think it was over 4,000 women. It was difficult. It was challenging. But you know, we stuck together. We all came here to represent Sikh Channel Aid. ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਚੈਨਲ ਏਡ ਆ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਲੋੜਵੰਦ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੱਜਦੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਰੇਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ so that was our motivation that kept us going because you know we wanted to obviously get to the finish, get our medal and yeah, absolutely amazing.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖ ਚੈਨਲ ਔਰ because I just study about little bit Sikhism, so I want to know ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੂਮਨ ਇੰਪਾਵਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਖਿਜ਼ਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਵੂਮਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਅਗਰ ਜਸਪੀਤ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਸਪੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਇਕੁਐਲਿਟੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਨੋ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧਰਮ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੁੜੀ ਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੂਮਨ ਇੰਪਾਵਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਇਹੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਫੈਲਾਓਗੇ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਚੈਨਲ
Definitely, Bani ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੋ ਕੋ ਮੰਦਾ ਆਖੀਏ ਜਿਤ ਜੰਮੇ ਰਾਜਾਨ so you know it's such empowering to be here. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਇਹੋ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਭਰ ਤੱਕ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਇਹੋ ਰੇਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਕਿ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ you know same level ਤੇ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਮਾੜੀਆਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਆ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ I think are just as good if not better. So hopefully this will inspire more people, more women around the world and hopefully it will grow again next year and more people will take part, more and more women will take part and yeah, no, it's just brilliant being here.
Thank you so much. Best of luck for future Dubai Women Run 2019. I hope कि ਵੱਡਾ group ਆਵੇਗਾ ਅਗਲੀ ਵਾਰ Birmingham ਤੋਂ and thank you so much for your time.
The whole experience of Dubai Women's Run 2018, seeing so many people running and you know, hi everyone. So seeing so many people running and you can see the whole vibe and just want to tell that you know, participate in large numbers and make this a huge I would say success every year and all the best to all the people who have ran and all the people who have won. God bless you. Take care. Love you.